In crypto, speed matters, but trust matters more. At Caleb & Brown, you're never on your own. We connect you with your own personal broker and a 24/7 team, ready to help you buy, sell, or swap over 250 digital assets with one flat, transparent fee. No spreads, no slippage, no hidden costs. Get the best market prices through deep, aggregated liquidity executed by our professional trading desk. Your funds are secured with institutional-grade cold storage for total peace of mind. Track every move in real time with our intuitive client portal, anywhere, anytime. Whether you're trading as an individual, trust, or business, we give you speed, security, and peace of mind. Thousands of clients in over 100 countries already trust Caleb & Brown. Visit calebandbrown.com and start your personalized crypto journey today.
Disclaimer, not financial advice. We're not liable for any personal financial decisions. This is meant to be for entertainment purposes only. What's up, guys? Mini-me was adding me to the big screen. What's up, everybody? Welcome into the Blockchain Brew Show. I am your host today. Trentonita is going to be back tomorrow. I can't wait to have him here. Guys, if you haven't already, please smash that golden like button. Why am I late today? I'll tell you in a second. Here we go. Ding, ding, ding. And we ring a ding, ding. We got the subscribe bell over here and over there. Over there. They're on YouTube and over there kicking rumble. It's like color kind of seems kind of wonky today. Like, what the hell is going on with the color? Add this frame in here. We're going to hit up the comments. Vision, what's up, man? How you doing? Ada, ouch, dude. I know, bro. What a weird effing cycle. What a weird cycle. Okay, before we get into the show, guys, we're the most hydrated crypto community on the interweb. We celebrate every day, no matter if it's up or down, because we're here delivering you guys the best news possible. If you want to participate, crack open a water, crack open a beer, or even a coffee and join this Elysian Space Dust crew. We're coming in, guys. Elysian Ash Space, it's not my favorite, but it is coming in pretty high and it is flavorful. We're coming in at, the hell is the percentage on this sucker? Higher than normal, which takes away from some of the flavor. 8.2% in a single 12-ounce can. How about a little ASMR pop? Bada bing, bada boom, guys. Want to get into the charts. Cheers. All right, where am I at? I got to add myself to screen. Share screen. I actually have one segment over on X that we need to cover today. Just one, I believe. Add to screen. Jason Appleton. Guys, we love Jason. Give Crypto Crow a shout out. Still waiting on that. We're just going to repost this because we love Jason. It's coming at a painful government. How do you spell government? Government pace. That looks pretty good. Oh, all right. Period. Paste. And now we're gonna go to our page. Share like this. All right. Here I got Jamin. We got Jamin Diamond segment. guys, if you didn't know this on JJ's channel, I call that Jamie Dimon and BlackRock. I'm like, they're all pedos. They're all pedos connected to the insider trading. All right, now as I say that, we're going to tune into this 12-second segment.
Blockchain is real. It's been around for quite a while, but now it's becoming more effective, more efficient because people are finding ways to do it faster and cheaper, permissioned or not permissioned. Smart contracts, I think, will probably be real. Blockchain is real.
Permission or not permission, guys. That's just telling you we're coming whether the institutions are ready or not, baby. Blockchain is real. Let's go, crypto. Jamie Dimon. Oh, man, you can't keep up with this. Was this yesterday? Okay, I guess that was yesterday. I swore I posted something in there today. Well, if not, then I guess we're going to have a quick X segment, and we're going to come over to Cointelegraph. See if there's anything coming over into the Saturday news cycle. You know, Saturday's pretty news slow. Hey, this might be interesting. Google search volume for crypto creators as 2025 comes to a close. Let's take a look. Let's take a look, because I'm kind of curious from my own perspective. You guys are probably curious for yours. Worldwide Google search volume for the term crypto is hovering above the 1-year low and has reached a 1-year low in the United States in 2025, comes to a close, indicating weak crypto investment sentiment. The Google search volume scale range from 0 to 100, with 100 indicating the highest levels of search volume worldwide. Search volume for crypto hit 26 on Monday, just 2 points above the 1-year low of 24. Worldwide search volume collapses during the crypto market crash in April due to President Trump's sweeping tariff policy. U.S. Google searches volumes for crypto follow the same pattern, but fell to a 1-year low of 26 on Monday. Mario Naval said, "This is close to no retail interest in crypto right now. Do we need to start pumping the Dino coins again to retail to come back? After the Trump Melina meme coin drama, it seems like the retail lost a lot of faith in crypto space. None of my normie friends or family ask me anything about crypto anymore." He added, highlighting the sentiment among retail traders following the price explosion of meme coins. The Trump family have declined by 90% in volume from their highs. Their low search volumes reflect low retail investor sentiment about the same state of crypto market, which is still reeling from the effects of a flash crash in October, characterizing as one of the most single-day crashes in crypto history. Crypto markets still in fear mode months later. Guys, are we still in fear? Asking for a friend. October's market crash caused nearly October 10th market crash caused nearly $20 billion in leveraged liquidations, and some altcoins to decline as much as 99% in a single day. Crash also took BTC from all-time high above 125 to a low of 80,000. That's not true. That's only in some exchanges. It hit like 102, like an average in November, or in the low of 80,000 in November. Well, that wasn't caused by the crash. The price continued to consolidate between 80,000 and 90,000 since that time, which actually, guys, it's not that bad. 80,000. We haven't had 80,000. I guess we have 80,000. I forgot where we're at for a second. Like, wait a minute. No way. And the crypto fear and greed index, indicating tracking crypto market sentiment, hit a yearly low in the 10th in November, indicating extreme fear amongst investors, according to CoinMarketCap. Market sentiment has oscillated between fear and extreme fear since October's crash, and it is 28th time of this writing. The fear and greed indicating still signals fear among investors, but also slight improvement over prevailing market sentiments over the last several months. I forgot to turn the music back on. Guys, are we bearish? I'm kind of bearish. I'm not gonna lie, man. How can you not be kind of bearish right now? I think that was it. All we got for Cointelegraph. We can head on over to CoinGlass. CoinGlass. Dude. What a crazy time. Sentiments. How many people we got watching? We have 6 people on YouTube, guys. Get these likes up to the watchers, guys. Please, if you haven't liked already, let's smash it. Which isn't crazy because we only have 6 people watching, and it's a Saturday. One of our top performing days of the entire week. Let's go to token view. We don't have ETF news, do we? I don't think we do. ASI has an unlock coming out. 1.8%. ARK has 3.5% of market cap coming out. It's actually a pretty small coin, only 770K. Grass has a big unlock coming out, 2.6% of the market cap, worth $3.94 million. See if they dump it, guys. Let's see if they dump it, man. Crypto just constantly holding people's feet to the fire, making them, guess not want to dump their bags. We have an optimism coming out. What day is this? The 30th. So we got 3 days to optimism. OP with 1.7 million of the market cap, equivalent value of $8.88 million in volume being unlocked, which is pretty close to its 100% unlock at 9.8% remaining. Zora, we have big Zora fans here on the channel. Zora's coming in at 178 million market cap with an unlock equivalent value of the total value of 3.7%, $6.64 million in Zora tokens being unlocked. Oh, look at this, guys. We have a Sweet now. Sweet's coming to unlock. This is why you come to the channel, guys, because we give you some alpha before anybody else. I bet you nobody else has talked about this. Hyper, Squid, and THQ. You're just saying Squid because it had such a great last week. I know it. I know it. Okay, we'll go over this for you, DZ. Welcome in, Amelia. Welcome in, DZ. Some of my favorite people out there. Always blasted me in the Discord. Those guys are solid, true friends to have in this space. So thank you. We have a Sweet coming out with an unlock with 1.5% of the market cap, equivalent to $80 million with 21% remaining. So we still have 19.5% to unlock. I just love when the unlocks are done, man. I really don't like unlocks at all. Is there a second page? Where's this? Well, I just want to curious. Let's take a quick peek on the second page. Page 2. I just want a quick peek, just a little one. Beat it's coming out as an unlock. I'm pretty sure that was a honeypot, so stay away. Could be wrong. ENA. Why do I ENA? That's not Athena, is it? STO, Trust, CTT. Is that Axie Affinity? Dude, I haven't thought about Axie Affinity in a long time. Dude, that's one of the last unlocks coming out. Axie, 1.2%, 1.7 million market cap coming out with only 1.3% remaining. That's pretty much 100% unlock after this. That's pretty crazy. Miria, we've pulled them up a few times. I don't recognize anything else. Because gainers and losers, bit dealer, 120% gains today. You should look at this, DZ. That's like your out of your alley. This mini meme market caps. You love those tiny caps. Wow, 10 people watching. Thank you guys. Welcome on in. Bit dealer, 118%. Squid. Oh, DZ, I knew you were asking for Squid for a reason. Up 20% today, one of the biggest gainers. Let's go. Come on, Squiddy Squid. Did you ever sell your Squid? You still holding it? We have Zen Horizon up 15%. CC, is that Canon Network? Zcash up 14%. Let's freaking go. Beat. Mog, one of the memes, up 9%. One of the OG memes. Cutie. We have Form, one of the memes, down pretty hard today. Jelly My Jelly down 5%. It's actually 5% is really not that bad. Monad down 6%, guys. One of the Leo ones out there. Zebek down 7.4%. Snowball and Kabuto and Franklin. Flow. What's going on with Flow? We might need to go over to X and investigate this. Flow. We haven't seen Flow going down in a long time. Do you guys remember Flow? How many out there remember Flow? Let's take a look. Let's go to the Flow page, guys. Okay, I'm gonna come over to X, but I don't want you to see my recent searches because you guys don't. You wouldn't like them. Let's just be honest. USDT. Will that pull up Flow Network? I don't know if it will or won't. I was trying to pull up Flow, but it didn't work like that. Oh, there it is. I think this is it. No, this is not it. Flow USD community run. It's community ran? No. No, it can't be. What happened to Flow? Okay. We're going to share tab instead. Here we go. Flow.com. Flow. The flow of crypto. We all love the flow. 200,000 followers, 1.8 thousand following. We're hiring, guys. If you're interested in flow and you want a job, you got software engineer, senior software engineer, business development association, head of wallet, senior full stack engineer, staff mobile engineer, and senior programming language engineer, capital markets, head of product marketing and DeFi engineer. I just clicked it. How do I go back? I'm back. I actually clicked that, guys. Don't click that unless you're ready. Want to apply? I didn't want to apply to a DeFi engineer. It's not my expertise. But if you're interested in looking for a job, there you go. Update protocol fix released. Man, well, you must have really effed up their fix release because you're down 25%. The protocol fix addressing today's exploit has been released. Node operators are now coordinating to deploy the upgrade. What this means for the network restart, which was apparently there was some sort of hack. The network will be restored to checkpoint prior to the exploit. This is necessary to network to be restored to a checkpoint prior to the exploit. This is necessary to remove unauthorized transaction from the ledger. Initial block heights, flow candidates, that number, EVM 513-58233 transaction submitted between approximately 11:30 p.m. December 26th and the network halt of 5:30 a.m. PST December 27th will need to be resubmitted after restart. This includes any legitimate user activity during the window. The foundation recognized this is inconvenience for users who transacted during the period. It is the safest path to restore network integrity and protect users' funds. Timeline. Node operators are deploying now. Target restart within 1 hour. Next status update within 2 hours. User balance and assets held prior to the exploit windows are unaffected. The foundation will confirm the network is live. Wait. User balance and assets held prior to the exploit window are not affected. So does that mean they're pulling back the network, pulling back all the transactions? Are they clawing back the hackers' funds previously to the exploit? Is that what I'm understanding with Flow? I think that's what it is. Oh, it's like rewinding time. Let's see what this says. The Flow Foundation is currently investigating a potential security incident affecting the Flow network. Our engineering teams are actively collaborating with network partners to mitigate the issue. We will provide further verified updates as soon as they're available. You know what's really interesting with this, guys? I know that they had a hack or exploit, you could say. And when I was listening to who was talking, it was somebody from, I don't know if it was Cardano Network or Charles Hoskinson or like Hedera, but they were talking about their exploits, or it might have been CZ. And he said they all work together. So whenever they find an exploit, they all point out together and they all patch it together. They all work as one. And I thought that was pretty cool because like as they all rise to, and height, they all want to be aware of different bugs and exploits. And I thought that was kind of cool. Like it was like an unwritten rule that like you help me, I help you type deal. I haven't thought about R-Wave in a while. Well, that's why Flow's down. They had some sort of exploit, man. Woof. I wonder how much money they lost. All right. And it's because today's Saturday. I'm all throwing off today, guys, because I have work, man. Usually I work Saturdays, and I took today off. I mean, I usually don't work Saturdays, but I went into work today, and then I had issues with my car, and I was just like, bro, I got to work, and I couldn't take the key out of the ignition. And I was like, what the hell? I actually had a spare key because I couldn't find my keys this morning, and I ended up finding them later on that night. Yeah, this is the chart. So this is all old news, so we can head straight to the charts. So I couldn't find my spare key, guys, and I got to the gas station because I needed to get gas today, and I tried to take my key out. Like, what the hell is the matter? And I reached over and grabbed some pliers because I'm a garbage man. I always got tools with me. I grab onto the key with my pliers. I'm like, yanking on. I'm like, what? Come on, key, get out of the ignition. This is crazy. And dude, it was a struggle, man. I eventually got it out once I got to work, but it was like, dude, what the hell? Doesn't matter that key. All right, so we're gonna come over to look at BTCC, Bitcoin, BTCC. We did get a single candle close above the 200 on the 15-minute with bearish divergence, and we fell right back below. We're still technically touching it, so we're still okay, but hopefully we can get out of it. I gotta look at some of the smaller time frames to larger time frames to figure out what the hell's going on. VWAP, we're below. Money flow is good. Pressure is going down. Strength Stokes are kind of trying to rebound off. What's the 5-minute saying? I'm just kind of curious. 5-minute fell below the 21. Still got, how much time we got left? 2.5 minutes. We got open doors to the downside. Money flow is ticked down. Stokes are side down. We'll probably visit the 21. What's the longer time frame saying? It's close to a top, but we're still have not flipped a red dot yet, so we still could be good. We do have a green dot, which is technically kind of bearish. They're supercharged if they play out. If they don't play out, then it's like 1 in 3 shot. You gotta play out. It's kind of negative. Still pressure on the 4 hour. The 4 hour looks actually really, really good. Money flow coming in. VWAP shooting up. We got a trigger wave for pressure to the upside. That's not bad, man. Market side for B. Coming to the 21 and the 50. What's regular candles say? Because we use Heiken and Shi. We can bounce up. We bounce below the 20. Oh, well, on the 21 still. Okay. It's not bad. We can live with that. Go back to Heiken and Shi. Really wants that 200. 200. We have a high or low. Looks like a W pattern to me, kind of like a swing down. Like we kind of got like this pattern. Hopefully we can get that to play out. Money flow is thick though. I like that. I like that a lot. 12 hour looks good too. We have 10 hours, but we did get our green dot market cipher beat. Nice, nice, nice. VWAP breaking up right there. You can see it. Strength. Stokes R side curving up. Money flow is ready to retest the 21. It has been very downwards, but now hopefully we can get a reversal. We'll bounce off the 21 on the 1 day. Daily, there we go. There we go. We are swing up. Anchor trigger wave, green dot. Let's get that green dot to play out. What do we have? The 2-day close today? No, we get the 2-day close tomorrow. Still slightly bullish momentum with negative 43, negative 43. So we haven't got the red dot yet, but it wants that red dot. We actually had manipulation on the 2-day, and I see that disappeared. And you can clearly see it came down a little bit, so that way we had the manipulation. We have double green dot right here. Boom, boom. Anchor trigger wave going to the upside. Money flow stiffy. The VWAP's not very good. Stokes are our side. Okay, we literally wicked up the 3-day candle 2 days ago. Wicked up, reject off the 21. We came back down lower. Where's the 20? Oh, that's the 200. Sorry, pardon me. 21. Wow, look at the 200. It's like a free fall right now. Oof. We are a magnet towards it, but it's not looking like a very good magnet. To say the least, we have the double green dot right here. Come on, baby. Get a double bottom. We can do it. 3 days left when we get that double bottom on the 5-day. The weekly, we have the double green dot, which is pretty good. We went over a lot of data and why that is good. Excuse me. Negative 63, negative 64. We're barely holding our green dot, man. We get that tomorrow. 2-day, we get the 2-day next week. Open doors to the, well, I don't have really open doors, but strong curvature to downwards. Hopefully we can get a little bit more, man. We get that green dot. Where's the monthly at? The monthly we get in 3 days too. Oh, frick, man. Look at that, dude. Monthly's been nasty. Nasty. We've been streaming since, dude, has it been that long already? Oh, that's 2024. We've been streaming since like right in here. It's kind of where we started, which is actually really fun to watch the candles play out in front of you. I can reflect and remember those candles and remember what happened in those candles. We stream every single day, guys, if you haven't noticed. Ow, I just whacked my foot. And we ain't going anywhere, man. We're Gen 2 of YouTubers for crypto, so we are going to figure this crap out, bro, just for you guys. Are we bearish or bullish? The 1 hour, I'm going to say, well, we just got the 1 hour close 2 minutes ago, and we got some good data. I'm going to say I'm bearish. We're going to get a break. We'll see what the 1 hour is saying. Just going off market side for B right here. VWAP broke below. We reject off the 200. We're currently below the 50. We'll probably come back and retest the 21. $200, man. We can lose $200. 15 minute down we go. I would guess it's targeting the 50 MA, which is also 87,000. It's about $200. So there you go. Before we get decided what we want to do, you know, you want to try to catch that falling knife? By golly, go for it. DZ says hyper. We're gonna look at hyper, squid, and THQ in that order, unless somebody else decides they want to throw a coin in the chat, and I can jump in and throw another coin in there. And no, we haven't seen Daniel Kaufman in a while. Dash has been doing pretty good today. Dash had a pump. We might have to look at Dash. Ugh. What? Hang on, I gotta put a poll in the chat. Where would you, if you can, question mark. Put in a poll in the chat, guys. What would be another good place? Boom, there you go. All right, now we got to pull in the chat. We'll see what's going on. Throwing you guys for a loop today. All right, let's take a look at hyper. And I also want to look at Vantage DZ because I was still looking at trying to get an entry on it today. Oh, hyper. It was THQ. I might look at THQ backwards. We might do this backwards, guys. Oof. Look at that weekly in THQ. Money flow is kind of reversing. I'm going to zoom out. Don't want anywhere. Reject off the 200, hundo. Reject off the 200. Momentum going down. Might come back down to 2150. Hope we don't fall below it. 15 minutes in a bilateral. It looks like it's getting ready to bounce. We have 50-50 up or down right now. If we bounce off, you have a low as your high or low, which is a good sign. And then we kind of come up to the 21, which is at the 50-68 level range. Say level range. And we have to decide if we're going to bust through that level. On the 1 hour, it wants to come down lower. The momentum has not decided to flip. We have 44 to 32. Has a little bit of kick to go back. We might trade sideways right here, but if not, we could be eyeballing the 21 at 48.82. The 4 hour as a doji candle trend reversal. Oh, interesting. We got mixed signals. We come up, reject off the 21 and 50 with fear stronger than the strength. Momentum saying no, we can't fall for that, but the VWAP saying we might come down. The strength says we might come down. 12 hour. It hasn't. There's no market side for being 12 hour. You could go off what you want to go off. The 12 hour says, hey, we might still be looking good. We went from a 3 to a 5. The strength looking good. We are at the 21. This is time to make a move. There's your low. There's a high low in the 12 hour. You know, 5 minute, we have a green dot. We could get that reversal coming on in. This could be it. Could be. Are these little candles going to hold? Or are we going to get another leg down? We did get another leg down to the 200. We could get another leg down and make a double bottom right here. I mean, I guess we could fall below, but we do almost have the ghost pattern appearing right now. Ooh, on the market side for B. Maybe it's time to make a move up. Oh, look at that. Nice. Oh, wow. Look at that 5 minute candle. It's pumping right now. It's eyeballing that 21. Let's freaking go. Get it, 5 minute. You got this. You guys seen that? It was pumping right as we were watching. It was good, too. We were 3.5 minutes in. Oh, I'm excited. Come on, 1 minute. Look at those candles. Momentum still going for us. Yes, get it. Get it, THQ. Get above that 50 MA. We'll eyeball that 200 right here. You can do it, I believe. Oh, come on. Stokes RSI are good. Strength good. View up coming up. Open doors to the upside. Guys, this is the 1 minute. Can we take it? It is eating them lunches. Come on. Let's get the next candle, man. By the time we get this 1 minute candle, the next 1 minute's going to come. I want to see before I move on to squid. Oh, no. It fell below. Come on. Keep going. Don't fall below. It's the momentum's kind of getting iffy, man. There's a little bit of chunk in there. I see it. Come on, chunkers. Oh, that was a quick candle. It's already that closed already. It took like a whole minute to freaking get our candle. That's not cool. Obviously, the 21's got the curvature. We got the bend in. You know, that's nice. We got the bend in. Worst comes worst, we reject off that, but we still got the 21 curving. Now, where's the S? I'm gonna get ready to find squid as we wait for this candle. SSS. All right, let's get this last candle, and then we're gonna go to squid. THQ. Come on, THQ, you got this, man. Get above that 50. It's all you gotta do. You have one job. Make dollars for everybody who's holding your token. That's it, man. Ooh, yeah. Here we go. A little higher. Come on, baby. Don't reject now. We're so freakishly close. Momentum's doing pretty good. View up. Come on. It wants to. If we're not gonna get the data, it's gonna end right here. Really make us wait like a minute. We're like a minute behind the 1 minute. That's just annoying. Why do we pay for the 1 minute if you can't give us the 1 minute data? Let's take a look at squid. We'll come back. We don't need squid on 1 minute though. Squid on 1 minute does have a green dot. Man, if you get double green dot in the 1 minute, those could be spicy. 5 minutes squid. Hey, come on, man. 5 minutes squid. I gotta shrink this up, dude. Come on, dude. I gotta see this. I like the rejection off the 50. That's good, man. That is a good sign. Momentum still good. Good. Money flow coming in. Look at that squid at 5 minutes, dude. Look at those candles. Whew. It's been a hot day for squid. View up. Money flow going up. View up. Kind of trying to figure out. It's not a higher high, clearly, at this moment. You have high lows. It's consolidation. We 25 to 24. Come on, dude. You can get a green dot. We can flip. Totally have our full-on reversal. VWAP at -1. We got to get the VWAP into a positivity. I got the money flow okay. Strength Stokes are trying to reverse. We come into the 1 hour. 1 hour, we have a red dot. Oh. No, it's going to take a break. Yeah, like we might get a short-term pump, but I think that we're going to have a breather. I think squid's going to come down to 6.5 level before. And also, you can make the argument. I don't know if I would make it. Let's see what this says. You can make the argument to a double top to even a lower high on the hike and a she. I think yes, we will come down squid. As much as I'm bullish on the 1 hour, it does look like it needs to reset a little bit. 4 hour actually doesn't look that bad. 4 hours trying to get a higher high. I still think it's going to need a reset. 4 hours and close for an hour and a half. The likelihood of us getting this higher high is not. It is not. I know this says that we can get it, but the 1 hour is saying nah. It's going to need a breather. It's going to need a breather. We could even come back down to 5.7, create a double bottom before we even continue. So squid, man, if you got in earlier on these gains, woo-wee, that was good, man. Look at that elongated bottom on the 4 hour. Boom, make your gains. Goes from 4.2 to 7.2, almost double, just on spot, like 75%. Man, if you had 10x leverage, you'd be up. It's like 600 and let's say 50%. I mean, that. Can you say no to that? I mean, that's just good gains right there, guys. Good freaking gains. For squid. Let's cover hyper. I did this literally backwards because I scrolled past everything. Hello, dog. Doggo. Good girl, Kai. One of my dogs came up to me. Wanted to say hi. Kai, you want to say hi to the camera? Want to say hi to the camera? Come on. Come on, come say hi. Say hi. Yeah, you're a good girl. No licking. You eat cat litter. We don't like that. No, but I wanted you to say hi. Okay, go. Ugh. Where am I at? Hyper. Okay, come to the 5 minute. We're gonna work our way forwards from backwards. Guys, no one's in the polls and no one's in the chat. You guys have to be engaging to me. I gotta keep engagement. I'm not trying to engage farm. Actually, that kind of was how that sounded. I just like talking to people, to be honest with you. Oh, I never thought about it. Oh, weird. Never mind. Hey, hype looks like a good spot in the 5 minute, man. I like this. If we came down to this lower resistance level or support level, got a little green dot, double green dot right there on this candle. You entered along on this candle. That's not bad, dude. I like that. I take that. We might be able to get a move up to the 21, possibly even higher. We'll see what the other time frames say. Agreement does look good. Money flow is ticking down. Shrink Stokes looking like a possible reversal is inbound. The 5 minute plays out, dude. We could be in for a reversal. That's not bad, man. It's not bad, dude. I would take a shot at that. Oof. The 1 hour is nasty looking though. Dang it, 1 hour. And we were doing something here yesterday. You know, we had a lower high. We called a short right here. DZ, remember that? We called that short. We said there's a high, a low, or a lower high. We said likelihood coming down. Dude, it came down, dude. It came down. We tested its local support, bottom of that local support. Then we came up, tested the 200 MA one more time. We've got the trigger wave, started working our way up. Now momentum's hot again. We're above the 60s, which is time for a possible breather. Strength, Stokes RSI are reversing. The Stokes on RSI are low. We do have a lagging red dot. VWAP open doors. 1 hour looks nasty. 15 minute looks like a bounce though. We'll probably get a bounce at 15 minutes, make a lower high, and then complete the 1 hour move to the downside. What's the 4 hour say? 4 hour says so much strength to the upside. Oof. So we'll probably pump the 15 minute, dump on the 1 hour, and then have a strong 4 hour close coming into the last 46 minutes of that candle. Yeah, it's possible. 13, 14 strength. We actually gained some strength. Money flow is increasing. VWAP had a little bit of flat top strength coming up. Momentum, it does look good. It looks engulfing on hyper. Momentum still has been playing out. What did I just do? Oh no, I just erased all my indicators. I hate when I do that. Ugh. I haven't done that in a minute. Wow, I can't believe I just did that. It's been a long time since I've done that. A long time. I'm gonna have to fix all that again. Goobered, man. I goobered that. That's what I want. Is this the 21? Actually, we did have a 50. 100, 150, 200. Okay, that's good. Gotta change the colors now. Style, visibility. Turn this on to white. I like my lines thick. Make that 21 thick. Coming, I like this. I like a red color. What's a red color? That's that one. Make the red thick too. Okay, now we want number 3. I don't care about this one as much. Don't care about that one, but 200 has to be bright yellow. I'm gonna make that one thick too. Thick. Okay. And I want market cipher A turned off. I don't use that as much anymore. We can keep it. SR on. Ooh. Hello, Sicario. How are you? What's your favorite coin? What was your first coin you bought? And what's your favorite coin? So we could go over it for you. Give our own non-professional opinion on it. All right, so there we go on hype, man. 4 hour looks. What did I say? The 15 minute looked like a pump. The 1 hour looks bearish, 4 hour looks good, 12 hour looks like we hold above the 21. We have a 50 on the horizon. Daily looks pretty good too. And my darling wife is coming in here to get my attention. Guys, she said that she wants to come in here and talk memes with you, but she has to put away the towels. But she wishes that she was here. You could come in here, babe, and talk about memes. Okay, if you say so. Sicario, 1776, sir. I like that number. That's a good number. She's still thinking about it. I don't know. He's a new gentleman that we got in this show. Hello, brother. You started collecting eagles. What type of eagle did you start collecting? I just got this. I got this yesterday. So I'm a gold and silver bug, but I did unload some silver yesterday. And I do think we're gonna go higher. I bought. You may not know what this is because I just happened to see it there. It is a walking eagle from Texas. You can't really tell from the Alamo, but it's a walking eagle with a star in the background. Super bad camera focus if you can't really tell. And then on the back of it, it has an angel on it with the Alamo. It says, I'll just read it to you. It says, United States of America, $50, 1937. It says Centennial. I'm reading upside down. Texas Independence Centennial. Remember the Alamo with Houston and Austin on there with an angel in the background and the little building of the Alamo. I thought it's pretty sweet. What's up, Nate Dog? How you doing, brother? I heard today was a mess. Oh, man, I heard that. I hope you didn't have to work today. Let's check on Advantis, man. Look at Advantis on the daily. Woo, time frame's been brutal. Money flow's coming in, though. We did break above the 21. We're getting above the 15 on the daily. Nate, tell Johnny that he needs to work faster at work. Pre-order 2026, just learning about silver. Dude, silver, you know why it's going up? It's because it's an industrial metal. The rate electricity goes through silver is magnificent. And SpaceX is buying up silver right now. Silver is going to go through the moon right now. Somebody told me $800 an ounce, and I don't think that. That doesn't seem super realistic to me in short term. But I could see 150 by next year. I do have that as a price target. Pre-order. Would you say just start collecting eagles? What type of eagles though? You didn't say. One of the Advantis guys right now. Momentum's breaking up above the 21. Can we hold it? That is very good. Very good. We're at resistance right now, right here. Boom. Where is the resistance on the 1 hour? We got it right here, right here, right here, and right here. Now the question is, and we got it right here. So it's the first time we've been breaking above it. We have 10 minutes to find out if we can do it. We're going to head on over to the 5 minute. 5 minute is close to wanting to break up. It has more pressure to the upside. 6 to a 3 on the DBSI. Rejection off the 21. We have money flow flowing into Advantis. Come back over to the 15 minute. We're going to head over to the 1 hour. 1 hour. We have a trigger wave. Closes in 40 minutes, but it means there was a large sum of money coming into the markets. Let's freaking go. Stokes RSI are in a full-on reversal. Not bad. VWAP breaking up. There we go. We're coming to the 4 hour. 4 hour. We had a little bit of red dot coming down. It has not fully played out. Money flow is thick right now. We do need some sort of upwards pressure. In other words, we will be breaking down. I think we have bearish divergence actually coming on in, but I could be wrong. Let's find out. We swing up to a swing down. So there is some bearish pressure. There was a nasty pretty wick right there with the full on. We said, you want to move this stuff or we can talk to you? Okay. First day issue 2026. Are you talking about the Eagles of 2026? Like the silver dollars? Wow, where would you like to live? We have 4 votes. 2 people say Washington, 2 people say California, nobody's saying Florida, and nobody's saying New York. Oh man, you guys are too much tonight. Too funny, man. I don't know how I feel about Washington. I live here. It's very beautiful, very expensive though. Very expensive. 12 hour. We have a red dot. Has not closed. Interesting. I think we're gonna get a little bit alpha on some meme coins tonight. We have the alpha queen of memes coming on the show. We're gonna put her on the camera, guys. Just give her a second to get over here. You ready?
No.
You're on camera. Too late. We got you. Okay, come over and talk about memes. Come on. Your people are winning now.
What's up, guys? Yes, Washington is expensive. But here's a little bit of alpha for you guys. USD one pairs are going to be crazy.
We have you think Washington's expensive? I do think Washington's expensive. California's pretty expensive too. I mean, you guys got $7 gasoline right now, but we're not too far off from you. So talk about your coconut call, babe.
Well, I called coconut at like 40K, and it was it went up to like 150K for my 40K call, and currently it's at 132K. Doing good.
You're seeing that you're still 3x from your call.
Oh yeah, and basically it's going to go up a lot more because I don't know if you guys were here for when I had talked about it last, but coconut we think is going to be the name of Grok Imagine.
When you say coconut, you're talking about colossal coconut, right?
Yeah. You know how like there's like nano banana?
I don't think a lot of people know that.
Okay, well it's like the name, I think it's the name of like Google AI. But so Grok Imagine is going to have its own nickname, and we think it's going to be Colossal Coconut due to Elon Musk doing a poll and Colossal Coconut winning. An XAI employee is now hinting to the Colossal Coconut. And just from a hint from a XAI employee, it went from 50K to 160K. Just from XAI employees, not even Elon Musk tweeting about it yet or posting about it. But that's not my alpha for tonight. That's just a call that I did that ran out pretty good. USD one pairs are going to do really well this coming.
Explain what USD one is.
USD one pairs is basically from World Liberty Fi. Their company that's coming in that's going to be partnering with Bonk on Solana. And their main coins through USD one. And it's going to do really well next 3 months. They've been holding really strong. One that seems to be chosen that's sitting at 8 million market cap is Shit Piss Skin Can. Yeah, as dumb as that name is, that seems to be the chosen one. As well as the Flying Ketamine Horse. If you are in the Discord, I showed my my watch chart for the USD one pairs. And these have all gone, majority of these have gone up since my call. And since posting in it, the Discord. So
When you say majority, what do you mean?
I mean, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of them have gone up.
Which ones have not?
The ones that haven't gone up, which was Dream and Rare Coin, has stayed the same. And a meme coin called Daddy from USD one pairs has gone down. But those are the only ones that have not haven't really been strong. But Flying Ketamine Horse, Shit Piss Skin Can, and One Coin Can Change Your Life are the chosen ones, it seems.
Did you get into the Nick Shirley one where he got kidnapped?
What?
Nick Shirley got kidnapped?
I haven't heard Nick Shirley getting kidnapped.
Well, it's not true, but there's a Nick Shirley support.
I have not seen that one. But just bid USD one pairs and hold them for a couple months and see what happens.
What do you think's going to happen with USD ones?
One of them.
Why USD ones out all?
Because of the World Liberty Fi. That's one.
What's that mean?
World Liberty Fi is the Eric Trump is partnered with. He's like one of the CEOs of World Liberty Fi, and they have partnered up with Binance, and the USD one pairs with Binance.
Partnered up with Binance?
They did.
Are you sure?
I am.
Where can I find that? Put it on the spot, guys. This is how we get alpha. You put people.
Go check on Binance on X, and they've talked about it.
Have they really?
They have.
Okay, guys, we're gonna go to X right now.
but a long time ago.
We're challenging this.
Okay.
You see-
Go to what's the CEO's name?
CZ.
Yeah, go to CZ.
I mean, he's not the CEO anymore, but everybody refers to him as the
So
head.
go to the search bar up at the top right.
Yeah.
Not that one. The search bar on CZ. That one. And type in USD1.
Like that.
No. You exit out. No. Go back. All the way. Let me fix this. Because you're gonna so right here, type in USD1.
Like that.
Mhm. So they have partnered up with Binance. And if you go on USD when you search it up on CZ's profile, you can see a whole bunch of posts that he's made throughout like the past 2025. There's a lot of them, so I'm not gonna be able to get into all of them this time, but I can prepare a couple for next time. That goes me put on the spot. But
That's how we do it. That's the proof. We just chill. We put people on the spot. It's okay. Wait, look at you. You gonna pull the mic over?
no. What are you
I'm
doing?
trying to get the mic back so it wants to go to you now.
Oh my gosh. Anyways, so yeah, I did well with Binance, and I think that's going to do well with Solana and Bonk. Because Bonk hasn't really had a season yet, and I think it will eventually have a good season coming into 2026.
Can we take a look at Bonk?
I'm talking about Bonk the Launchpad, not the
Please
main
share the
coin.
link to the Discord. We have the link in the description for our Discord, Sicario. But if you want to get in, it's $2.99 a month. But if you want to get in and you don't want to pay, we will take you because we just take everybody that we can. And hit us up on X. We'll get you in for free. Blockchain Brew. Well, I'll even show you on that our X account so you can see it. We are fresh right here. This is us. Blockchain Brew. Come find us. Hit us up. Hit us up. We'll get you in for free. Unless you want to pay. It helps support us, which I'm not going to say no to support. Bonk is going to zero.
Not the meme coin, the Launchpad.
The Launchpad?
Yeah, Bonk is a Launchpad.
Yeah, but Bonk Launchpad you were talking about. Bonk
Yeah.
definitely will not go to zero. It's the number one meme on top of Solana. And it's also, I just don't see it going to zero, man. I just don't. But let's take a look at it, because you could be right. I mean, look at it. It's pretty much fallen through its support. It's like at an all-time low, but we did get a double green dot. It wants to reverse. It does on this candle right here. It wanted to. It's trying, okay? I'm not saying you're not wrong, but I really hope it doesn't go to zero, because I have my entire life savings in Bonk. And if it goes to zero, I'll be very sad.
Hey, if the Bonk Launchpad does good with the USD1 pairs, naturally the Bonk meme coin will do well too. If that goes up, so does the Bonk meme coin. It goes hand in hand.
Oh, the 2-day, we got a green dot. Oh, the 3-day, we have a green dot on Bonk. Let's go, Bonk. Let's go. We also have bullish divergence coming on in. We have a swing up to a swing down. Bullish divvy is in play right now for the Bonk. The Bonkinator. It wants to reverse, at least come back up to support at 401. We take those on 3-day. 2-day, we also have a double green dot. Also have the bullish divvy coming on. Also, we have a trend reversal doji candle. Did I interrupt you?
No.
You done?
Yeah.
I'll keep talking.
I'm good.
Tell everybody that you're awesome. And they should join at the Discord.
You should join the Discord.
You didn't say you're awesome.
I am awesome.
Say it louder.
I am awesome, and you should join the Discord.
There you go. Say it loud and proud. I'm taking my mic. She had the mic. Now it's my turn to be awesome. You have a sip of this. All right, drink it on camera so we can all hear your reaction. I gave her some space dust. Drink it, and make your reaction loud.
I am not a fan of any beer. I do not like beer. You can have it back.
You didn't even go. I like it, guys. Beer is good. So far, Bonk is down 95%, but everything's down 95%. Vision. I mean, look at ADA. ADA was all-time high is $3.35 or whatever it is, and it's down to 30. What is ADA at? I mean, we can't just judge Bonk by that. Where's it at? ADA. It's like $3.35. The 12 hour is actually looking pretty good though on it. But it was down to 33 cents. The weekly, I can't even see the all-time high. Let's go to the monthly. The all-time high is for ADA. Done. Did you hit us up on the X site? Did you get the message or did you sign up? Because if you signed up, I mean, that's great. The all-time high is $3. So it's down 90%. I mean, Bonk for being a meme coin being down 95 from its all-time high, it's not that bad, right? I don't think it's that bad. XRP is doing pretty good. A lot of the ISOs actually have done pretty well, like even like Hedera. Hedera made a higher high, which I feel like is pretty important. XRP did not make a higher high. XRP made several higher highs. Algo did not make a higher high. XLM, it's in the interesting pattern, to be honest with you. It definitely made a lower high in consolidation with more downwards pressure coming in on the monthly. Did we get the 3-month close on Bitcoin? Three-month. Oh, we got 3 days left. Oof, 3 days and we get it. That's gonna be a nasty red candle too. 3 days gonna be a nasty monthly candle. I mean, it's eyeballing like possibly 50,000. It could be done. It very well could go that low, guys. Where's the dominance at? The dominance also wants to roll over too. I mean, can we get altcoin season if the dominance rolls over? Market cap dominance has been coming down since right here. It's this doji candle. 64%. We're at 59. Come on, man. Let's flip this upward trend. 2 week money flow's coming in. What's the weekly say? Weekly also, the money flow has been coming down, but we do have an anchor trigger to a possible pump. Hey, Japino, Sicario, just checking in. What's up, brother? Is that your X account? Let me go over there and follow you right now. Get you in the Discord. What's weird? Sicario, just checking in. How do I see your message on X? I may have to refresh it because I don't see it. I see the message on StreamYard, but I don't see your message on X itself. I hear my children. That's so weird. How do I see you right there. Peanut. Guys, go follow him. Blow up his X account. How do I oh, there you go. I found you. Okay, so we're gonna follow you back. Boom. Easy peasy, brother. We'll send you an invite. We'll get you in the Discord. Speaking of the Discord, we should go over there right now. Let me pull some stuff out of the way so make it easier and we can take a peek. Plus, I'm going to shout out a few of to help support the channel things. You guys are going to get hit with some ads, just so you know. So it's up to you if you want to listen to me spiel it, because I'm going to spiel it because it's part of being part of the Brew Crew. So guys, if you're interested in trading, we have our top exchanges are BitFi and BTCC. And right now with BitFi, they offer no KYC, no VPN. You save 20% with your trading link using our link. You have a 1 million, 5 million, 20 million, 50 million, 100 million. If you do any of the top three, hit us up personally on X. We'll reach out to our guy. We'll try and get you a better deal on the fees if we can. But if you do 1 million trading volume, you get $129 into your futures account, $5 million, $330 in your trading account. If you do 20 million, 50 million, 100 million, hit us up, and you can get anywhere between $800 and $10,000 in trading bonuses to your account. Now, if you're not interested in trading volume bonuses, we also offer BTCC currently, and they have no KYC, no VPN, and you save 20%. Oh no, 40% with them using our link on your trading fees. And then they could give you anywhere between the minimum of 500 upwards of 100,000. You can get a 10% bonus. So if you do 100,000, you get $10,000 bonus back to your pocket, or $500, you get $50. Now, what that also gets you guys is access to our Discord. And our Discord, we have sweet signals, which I'm going to share with you right now. I'm going to move the screen over so you guys can see it a little easier. Drag and drop it. So we had a scalp signal come in on Filecoin last night, this morning at 6:48. Filecoin long, $1.20 entry point with a stop loss at $1.10 with a take profit at $1.70. Here's the signal, that giant swing down. Top ROI traders, sometimes they bring justifications in here, but what I really like about this is that they offer exact levels to enter in, and usually they offer why, but that one doesn't. AVAX also with a potential long area entry. They're eyeballing $12.50. So I'll find out what you like. I like to 1 to 3 rewards, so this isn't quite fit my criteria, but you can also take if you're interested. Take profit or area entry is 12.5, stop loss 11, and a take profit at $15.20. Here's another long that came in at 4:33 this morning. Link long, entry price around $12.40, stop loss 11.40 with a take profit at $16. ETH long coming on in, guys. Everything's been longing up, so all these signals played out just how you wanted them to. Let's take a look at scalps. Do we have any scalps coming today? Yeah, we did. 6:44 a.m. Ethereum Classic long, $11.08. Stop loss 11.5. The take profit 12.1. That's I'm not gonna lie, I would not have gotten into this. If I did, I would have put my entry price way down here, maybe a double bottom, because the risk versus reward is not me. I'll drag that bar down here because I like more of the odds. I would adjust that to my liking. If I didn't make it, I didn't make it. You can't catch them all. And just being totally honest. Hey, here's a Uniswap one. I'm actually kind of curious about this one. We might go check out Uniswap because this is a short. Everything longing, Uniswap was a short with the sell position, entry around $6, stop loss at 6.15 with a take profit at 5.6 for a short call. There's also a short for Adam. So let's just jump on over there, guys. I got to move everything back just so we can, and we're going to take a look at Uni. Let's take a look at Filecoin. See how this played out for it. Would have played out if we played them. Boom. Okay, cool. We put everything back to normal. We're coming on over. I actually really like trading Uniswap. I've had some very good luck with them. But I kind of like to trade whatever is hot too. Where's Uniswap at? You and me. This is the weekly. Let's go over the daily. Let's find out that would have played out. So they had an entry price, or did I say $6, around $6. And this could play out. We could have this could be a lower high. 16-hour, 4-hour. Hey, you know what? You could be getting into a good move. Entry price around $6. You would have just gotten into this move. But I can't remember the exact number it said take profit. Was it 540? I think it was 540, but I can't remember. But you'd be in this now. You'd be in this trade. So possibility now for a short. What was the other call? Filecoin. They had a long on Filecoin, a very nice long actually. I can't remember if it was scalp or if it was swing. I'm trying to remember where I have it located. Is Filecoin in my rendering coins? Yes, it is. Hey, that would have been a good long. It said that's 24 hours ago to get in. So where are we at? It's at 4 a.m. my time, which is, I don't know, let's say 12 candles, 14 candles back. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 candles back. I can't remember the exact entry point, but it said potential move up. If you were taking that long position, you would be up almost 10% on 10x leverage, which to me, using market cipher, I would close that trade out in the green because I am looking at the red dot downwards momentum, view up open doors. I would be expecting to retrace to about $1.28. So you taking that move, man. There's good signals. 4 hour actually still looks good. 4 hour looks like it could keep going. Strength coming up, Stokes RSI, all low, open doors to the upside. Not bad, man. Not bad at all. Now, if we don't get a pump, man, on the next hour, I would expect to come back down to the 50, maybe the 21, but take those gains as you can. Lock in some gains. So I followed you. Oh, I still got you throwing up. Done. Okay, cool. So I got you added on the X. Well, I'll have our co-host Trentonator. We both share the same X account. He'll send you a lock and key to the Discord so you can join. It'd be nice to have you be part of the Brew Crew, man. We're always throwing up stuff too in the Discord. Like today, I was at the bar and I took a picture of my beer while I was getting my tires. I got new tires. Just slick, man. I'm glad I got new tires. That is the biggest pain in the butt ever. All right. I'm going to give everybody a shout out today, and then I'm going to probably wrap it up, and we'll be back tomorrow for the weekly close. So thank you for coming on in, Sicario. Thank you for coming in, Vision Pulse, Fat Boy. I hope Bonk does reverse, but maybe you're right, man. If you're right, dude, congratulations for shorting. Who else are we having you? Steven Crypto, nice try. Try California. Steven Crypto, brother, thank you for coming on in, man. I wish I could try California. Some days I wish I could trade the rain out for some sun. Nate Dogg, welcome on in. Nate Dogg, thanks for joining us today. The Brew Crew, we have Amelia coming on in. And DZ, what is up? Hope we were able to help you out, DZ, with those calls. Those are some fire calls we have. And on that note, guys, be blessed. Blockchain Brew is out. We'll be back tomorrow for the weekly close, and stay blessed. Thank you. Trent, you missed out on another wonderful show. It was so good. Everybody came in and get great hosts and customers and people, and we just love them. They're blessed.